Hi my small cutie pies, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video we are going to learn next three alphabet, that is T, U and V alphabet. So what I'm going to do next? Yes, I will show you the friends of all that three alphabet. The first alphabet is tiger, T for tiger. Our next alphabet is U for umbrella. In rainy season we all are using this umbrella. Yes. So and now next alphabet is V for vegetables. So what we are going to do next? Yes, we are going to learn how to write in our workbook and notebook. Right? Let's start. This is the page of our workbook. So what we are going to do first? We are going to trace this T with the help of finger. 1 number line and 2 number line. Now with the help of pencil, trace 1 number line first and now 2 number line. 1 standing line and 1 sleeping line. Like this we are going to trace all this T. We are going to start with the red point. 1 number line, 2 number line, standing line and sleeping line. T for tiger. Yes, T for tiger. Very good. Now we are going to trace this T. Standing line and sleeping line. Like this you are going to finish our workbook. Let's do this standing line and sleeping line. Like this you have to fill whole box. Now turn your page. Our next alphabet is U for umbrella. First we move our finger. Yes, right. U for umbrella. Now with the help of pencil. U for umbrella. Now start with this red point. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Like this you have to trace all this U and write here. Start with this red point and write big U. U for umbrella. Fine. Now I am moving next alphabet. Next is V. V for van. V for violin. I have shown you V for vegetables. Move your finger, slanting line and go up with the slanting line. Slanting line, come down and go up. Now move your pencil. Slanting line and go up. Fine. Now trace this V. V for vegetable. V for vegetable. Like this you have to trace all this V and write down here also. V for vegetables. Now let's write in our notebook. See, this is my notebook and I have drawn T for tortoise. You can draw T for tiger, T for tortoise, T for toys, whatever you liked. But I have drawn tortoise and I have written 3 times T in my notebook. Let's start. First we do standing line from, let me show you from nearer. Red line to blue line and then sleeping line in red line. Again standing line and sleeping line. Fine. Like this you have to write 3 times T in your notebook. Fine, kids? Yes. T for tiger, T for tortoise, T for toys. Now let's move next alphabet. Next is U. U for umbrella. See, I have drawn smiling umbrella. Let's start from red line. We do standing line, then turn and touch up to blue line and go up to red line. Again, standing line, turn, touch second blue line and go up. Repeat this exercise. Standing line, down, go up and U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Now turn to the next alphabet. Next is V. V for vegetables. I have drawn 3 types of different vegetables. Let's start writing. Start from the red line. Do one slanting line up to blue line and go up to red line. V for vegetables. 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 Like this you have to complete whole page. Okay, kids? Let's meet in next video. Take care. Bye bye.